Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Bene Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good, and in today's video I'm going to show how to make cabbage fougath. It's a simple recipe, most loved by all. Mostly they serve in a restaurant with Goan thalis. You can enjoy this at home, follow each and every step and get this right. In order to make, I've taken cabbage 300 grams. You need to cut in juliennes and keep it ready. Now keep the flame on medium. Add oil in order to saute 2 tablespoons. Once the oil is hot, add mustard seeds 1 teaspoon and let it crackle. Add curry leaves and saute it. Add onion. I've taken 2 sliced onion, medium. Saute it for a while. Just sweat the onion. Add turmeric powder, half a teaspoon, and add cabbage, shredded cabbage. Add salt is to taste. Add green chilies, 2 each, slit, and mix all the ingredients. Now add 1/4 of cup of water. Mix well. Cover it and let it cook on a medium flame for 8 minutes. Add grated coconut. Mix it well and cook it for 3 minutes at least. And our cabbage fougath is ready now. Guys, this is a very good option for all the veg lovers. Try this recipe at home and you all will enjoy this. Thanks for watching my video and God bless you all. Thank you very much.